Hello, I'm Debbie Indihar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our weekly video update of the Milpitas area. This is Thursday, February 8th. So what's going on in the Milpitas MLS market? We've got 3 new listings to report out. 1628 Quail Drive, that's a very nice neighborhood set up near the foothills. That's called Ridgeview Estates. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1976 square feet. 6943 square foot lot for $1,500,000. That is really priced at the peak of the market there. 119 Heath Street, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1520 square feet. Lot size 7,886 square feet for $948.88. Nicely presented remodel home. And then 484 Oroville Drive. That's the has a common wall. So it's called a duet home. Has a nice little yard. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1350 square feet of living space. Lot size 5,000 for $850,000. It's got a garage built by Chappelle. Very nice neighborhood. So we've got open this weekend. I'll be at 210 Butler Street. I just got that staged yesterday, and the photos have been posted this morning on MLS. So if you want to visit my website, debbiegiordano.com, you can see the photos of that beautiful home. It's in the Manor area, nice tree-lined street, mature neighborhood, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for $998,000. And again, I'll be out there from 1 to 4 both days. So coming soon, we're getting 1909 Grand Teton Drive ready. It's a single-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, really nice floor plan, about 1,800 square feet. Lot size 7,500. It's on a corner lot and in a cul-de-sac, and that's at $1,198,888. It'll have a new kitchen, a new master bath, new carpet in the master bedroom, laminate flooring, brand new paint in and out, recessed lighting. It's going to be a nice home. 690 Lexington Drive is quite a bit away. It's over a month away, but I wanted to alert you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square feet, 6,500 square foot lot for $899.88. All right, current interest rates. We have had an uptick. This week the stock market's been very volatile. On Monday it dropped drastically, 1,100 points. Then it rebounded, and now today it's down again. So it's really been a roller coaster week for the stock market. So affecting interest rates, you're looking at 4.375 for 30-year fixed conforming, 3.875 for a 15-year fixed conforming, 4.5% for a 30-year fixed jumbo, and 4% for a 15-year fixed jumbo. Okay, San Mercury News. It's always on the forefront of any newspaper talking about the housing market, at least locally here. And they had an article that said, there's a house, wait, it's gone. The average time from listing a home to sale is a very, very low number, which is about 9 days. And that is what I'm experiencing here in Milpitas. We're about 9 to 11 days for an average listing. Tips to help you avoid being scammed by a contractor. Okay, make sure your contractor is licensed. That's number 1. Count the employees. Make sure that you have the correct amount there. Become a cynic. So make sure that you ask a lot of questions. Make sure you get what you want. Make sure your concerns are known to that contractor. Use money as a leverage. You don't want to pay a lot of money up front before the delivery of the service. Maybe half, or pay the material fee, but at least the labor costs you may want to hold back and do that when the job is completed. And then have a plan in place. You want to make sure that if you have a kitchen, that it's completely drawn out the way you want it. Master bathroom, or any bathrooms that are remodeled, those are kind of major. Make sure that that everything is laid out where you want the shower, the sink, and any other fixtures. So that's important. All right, to rent or own, that's a common question. Of course, in my opinion, I think it's always beneficial to own, even if the margin is very different, just a slight difference. The fact of having home ownership, being in a school district for your kids, being in a place that is secure, that you can call your home and not have a landlord over your head. Those are important things that don't factor into the financial aspect of rent versus own. So there's an emotional aspect that has to be factored in. But when you look at the federal tax plan, it starts to muddle things. A panoply of changes will make buying a house more costly. We know that according to a study. Changes in the federal tax law could complicate another equation for Bay Area residents, whether to rent or own. And they're talking about the limitation of the $10,000 deduction for state and income taxes and property taxes. And we know that our property taxes are much higher here. We're in a pricier area, so it's going to affect us, our market somewhat, but I'll be able to report out this weekend after seeing the open house activity, and I do believe that the demand is still plentiful. So housing, South Bay tops the housing hot list. That was put on January 30th. 9 of Redfin's, that's a common website, housing website. 10 most desirable neighborhoods in the county are listed, and they're all right here in the San Jose metropolitan area. And then the last but not least, housing crunch intensifies. We are seeing a limited supply, and tight inventory is pushing prices higher. We saw that in December, and the gains are at a historic 69 straight months. So if you've bought property 5 or 10 years ago, you're in good shape. All right, City of Milpitas updates. There is a group called Milpitas Cares, and they annually get volunteers to go out to the school sites, different places in Milpitas to do some improvements, cleanup efforts, parks, to show an impact of community service and volunteer work for the city that we care a lot about, the City of Milpitas. So if you want to sign up as a volunteer to do a project, go to their website, which is www.milpitascares.org. Don't have the date. I think it's the first weekend of March is when they're going to, or first and second weekends. To check the website for the dates. And volunteer a few hours to work around your community. And if you want any more updates to the city, maybe the BART opening, we'll check into that and hopefully get that out to you next week. Go to the city's website, www.ci.milpitas.ca.gov. Thank you for watching. It's interesting times right now in the real estate industry. Glad I can keep you updated. If you have any questions, you can call me at 408-945-8988 or send me an email at giordanodj@aol.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.